Here's how to use InStories application. First, you'll be asked, what is your content about? You can choose from the contents available. Also, you will be asked, where do you post your content? You can choose which platform would you like to choose your content with. Example is Instagram. Afterwards, you will be asked, what visual style of content do you do? You just need to choose from the choices that is given by the InStories. And afterwards, you will also be asked, what features do you need? This is important so that the InStories is going to provide you the features or tools that you needed so that you can use it. After filling on the necessary details, click on the continue options. Afterwards, you have to wait for a few seconds until the InStories will get ready to fix in the tools that you need. And then, once you have already fixed, you can now go ahead and sign in and use it.